Shannon, isn't that what you had on yesterday? No, it's not. It's not. I had on the white Christmas one yesterday. Same Etsy shop though, and I will link them down below for you. Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoony Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day on our videos. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. Hello, welcome to December 4th, day number 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas with Critters Crochet. Oh, what should we start with? You know what? I can't wait. Let's start with Muppet Christmas Carol. So we have so far Bob Cratchit, Tiny Tim, and Ebenezer Scrooge. Who will we get today? Make your guesses down below. I'm thinking it's gotta be time for Gonzo or Rizzo, right? Right? Where are our narrators? We have a story with no narrator. So yeah, let's open it up. Day number 4. I am not gonna look. What is it? Who is it? Let's see. Someone with a ponytail. Wait. Waka Waka? Is this Fozzie? It's Fozzie! As Fozziewig! He is so cute! Fozziewig and Mom's Rubber Chicken Factory. Oh, he's so cute. He's got like a velvety texture on his coat. His little tie. So he always wears that tie, right? And they made it into a really fancy bow for this. Love the detail. The little striped shirt and the little brown pants. But the ponytail is so darling. Look at that. And his little curls. Okay, let's see if we can make his curls a little more curly. Let's just puff those up a little bit. That's better. There we go. This is my Christmas speech. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Something like that. He's so cute. Who's been your favorite so far? I think it's Robin for me. I think little Tiny Tim is just too precious, but we'll have to see. Okay. Teresa sent me another heavy one. Okay, that was a lot of crinkling, so I just edited that out. Now we just have light paper crinkling. No! Okay. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a classic movie buff. And this is TCM, official TCM Turner Classic Movies movie night menus. What? Dinner and drink recipes inspired by the films we love. With Casablanca on the front? Okay, let's find one. Let's see. Perfect! Some Like It Hot. I love this movie. Some Like It Hot. Okay. The menu is dinner with a millionaire, a Manhattan, saltines with peanut butter, Manhattan marinated flank steak, and velvet potatoes. Well, except for the alcohol and the peanut butter. That sounds great. Okay, let's do another one real quick. I'm running low on my battery though, so I've got to do a quick one today. Let's pick one I think people will know. Oh, that one. An American in Paris with Gene Kelly. Okay. French Picnic. American Paris cocktail, cheese board with charcuterie and a Dijon mustard, and a baguette and chocolate. That sounds fun. Okay. This is gonna be so much fun. Thank you, Teresa. So I showed Teresa that earlier this year I bought the Christmas movie cookbook. And I really want to make some recipes out of that. So I'll have to show that on the channel soon. But this is so exciting. I do not have this one. Thank you. This is a gift idea not enough people talk about, and it's so easy. You and a friend decide to exchange socks. Hold on, there's more to it. You each get a pair of socks for the other. And you want the, bigger socks, because anything that can fit in the socks is fair game. Gift cards can fit in socks, lip gloss can fit in socks, little things. Anything that can fit inside the socks is fair game. And then you put the socks together and you wrap a little bow around it and you exchange them like presents. And it's like you have two little miniature stockings and you get to keep the socks. So it's a lot of fun, super easy, very inexpensive, and I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a lot of fun. Also, if you don't like the idea of stretching out the socks, you can do a stocking swap. Nova Gnome Creations and I did that a few years ago. It was a lot of fun. You each decorate a stocking for each other if you are crafty, and if you're not crafty, then you just pick out a stocking for each other, fill it with stuff, and then send it to them, and they have a stocking to open. It's a lot of fun, and super easy, and super inexpensive. Okay, the shout out of the day kind of goes into what I was going to talk about, because my shout out is Andy, the Crafty Witch, because we are doing a live tonight. We are doing Spooky Stitching Holiday Homicide. Don't worry, it just involves snowmen and gingerbread men. No one's actually hurt. So please join us tonight. I'm forgetting the time, but the little poster is somewhere on my face. And please join us tonight. Andy is super talented. The girl whips out one project after another. I don't know how she does it. She goes live for hours, and she's a spoonie like me, so I don't know how she does it. But she is amazing, she is talented, and if you like the more spooky vibes, she is definitely right up your alley. Please go check out Andy, the Crafty Witch, and watch us tonight on my channel and hers. We are co-streaming. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there. I have been waiting to talk about this movie. This is We're No Angels. Humphrey Bogart, Peter Ustinov, Basil Rathbone, and lots more. But this is the only comedy that Humphrey Bogart ever made. This movie is hilarious and so sweet at the same time. It has extremely quotable lines that my family uses all the time. Oh, I'm so glad you broke it to her gently. If you watch the movie, you get it. 3 convicts escape onto Devil's Island with a small package. They kind of work their way into a small little merchant's life, and instead of robbing them or doing terrible things to them, they decide that they like this family and they want to help them against their evil uncle, played by, of course, Basil Rathbone. It's not a movie that's really ever talked about for Christmas, but it's a Christmas movie. Please check it out. I think it's on Tubi or Pluto or one of those free ones, so please, please, please go check it out. I highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun. Music recommendation for today is You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch. It's not the one you're thinking of at all. It is not the one from the new movie. It is not the one from the Jim Carrey soundtrack. It is not the one by Thurl Ravenscroft. It is this one. Jordan Smith. Jordan Smith is a nice kind of jazzy singer, but he went to David Foster, of all people, and said, I want to do this on my Christmas album, and David Foster thought he was crazy and said, you can't revamp this song, it's impossible. Well, they did it. This is one of the best versions of this song ever. It is so different, and it works. Normally I don't like when they super change up songs and stuff, but this works. Arranged by David Foster, sung by Jordan Smith. Please go check it out. No disrespect to Thurl Ravenscroft, whose baritone should be admired and respected. But this is absolutely a must listen. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Please join me tonight, and don't forget to check out Teresa's video down below. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. And tonight. I'll see you tonight and tomorrow. I'll see you a lot.